Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're having a look at and unboxing the Oral-B Vitality Plus electric toothbrush. This is a UK spec. I'll put the links below, but you should be able to see there. This is right at the bottom end of the official Oral-B range. You can pay over £100. So this one is £19.98. So they all perform in very much the same way. From what I've been told by my dentist, it's more about technique and how you use the brush rather than which particular version of the electric toothbrush you have. So there are two main mistakes people make. One is they push far too hard and that will damage your gums. So some of the more expensive models will show you if you're pushing too hard, save yourself 50 quid, don't push too hard. And also you really need to concentrate with this angle of this brush at 45 degrees, and it's the gap between your teeth and the gum where the plaque hide, and that's what causes most of the decay, not on the surfaces that you're actually eating on. So yeah, a good tip from my dentist there. So this one comes with two heads and sort of a UK bathroom plug. You'll probably have to fit an adapter on if you're going to use a normal UK socket in order to charge it. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. So it's got polystyrene in there, which is obviously very difficult to recycle. I prefer it now when you have that sort of paper mache cardboard inners. So here's the plug. So this is like a plug for a UK bathroom fitting, which is becoming as rare as rocking horse manure, I think, now, except in hotels and things. It's probably better just to have a USB charge cable or UK plug cable so you can charge this. I mean, I've had different versions of this and they normally take 3 or 4 hours to charge up. Sometimes they get a bit warm. It uses this induction system here of charging, so you've got sort of a waterproof charge system there, which is quite effective. Then in the core of the brush itself is sort of a nickel, I'm not sure what it needs to be, nickel cadmium. It's probably not that now, is it? No, it's different now. So it's got a different type of rechargeable battery in it. Okay, so you've got here you've got your instructions. So that shows what this one actually is. Charger type 3757, handle type, that's the brush itself, 3710. A 1-year warranty, but I've had some of these brushes many years. You will find that you can buy lots of different versions of the head that do different things. There are cheaper versions of that on eBay and Amazon, but I did have one of the cheaper versions literally explode in my mouth. The whole bit of it fell apart. So although they are quite a lot of money, I think I should be staying with the official Oral-B heads. And this is how they come. So you get 2 in this set here. And this is the most common one, this type of brush design. Some are supposed to whiten your teeth more and do different jobs. There you go. So often you have these little rings here, and that just clips on the end. As if you've got multiple people using a brush, they've got toothbrushes that just allows you to show, you know, which one is your colour. So I don't know if you can see that. This is the sort of the crosshead cleaning one, and I say you need to be at about 45 degrees on your gum and your teeth when you're using this. These gradually lose the colour, the blue goes here, and then yeah, that's an indication that once a month you need to change it. You do need to change it because they're very sharp and bristly, and that allows them to get in between that gap of your gum and your teeth. Once they wear down and they're flattened, they don't do that as efficiently, and they don't clean in between your teeth as efficiently. So we'll just lock that on. Yeah, don't know if it's already got some power. Oh, it has, there we go. And there you can see it running. So, you know, electric toothbrush, if you've not had one before, oh my word, you will notice the difference compared to you know, hacking away with a brush yourself, it will feel like you've just been to the hygienist. You can drop them, they're pretty much bulletproof, and I say when you're looking at now less than 20 quid, so that's about $25 for what you get. You don't need to spend a fortune. So I hope you found that useful. Please leave me the comments. If you've got any questions, leave them below. I'd love to help you. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on board, and we look at all sorts of unusual items that come across my desk, as it were. Stay safe in these difficult times. I'll see you next time. From Paul in London, cheerio.